Hi everyone, this is Hitesh. I'm an XUV owner since 2018 and also a customer of ARC shock absorbers since 2018. I bought XUV in 2018 after driving sedan for almost 15 to 20 years. So happened that the features of XUV 500 actually prompted me or tempted me to buy this car. Unfortunately, after driving for 2,000 to 3,000 kilometers, I was very, very disappointed, having driven sedan for so many years, and then driving an SUV and not getting a kind of driving experience. It was very, very disappointed, and it was so bad that the bouncing and the rolling of vehicle was too high. Um I was just trying to sell this vehicle, and then uh, just before doing that, I just thought, let me explore if something can be replaced or some fitment can be uh, done, which could actually avoid this bouncing and rolling of car. It so happened I came across YouTube videos and Google a link for ARC, and I happened to speak to Mr. Deepak. Deepak assured me that this problem could be suppressed to 80 to 90% by changing the rear shock absorbers. I was actually a little skeptic before I could do this, but still I thought, let me take a chance even before selling a vehicle. I got this shock absorbers in about a week's time after placing an order. Very easy to fit, and then yeah, for the first 1,000 or 2,000 kilometers it was still little sturdy, and then it was all done. I mean, 2,000 and 100 kilometers, I could feel that the vehicle is completely changed. There was no bumpy drive, and there's no roll. I would say not 100%, but yeah, at least 80 to 90%. And today I'm really happy. I've driven almost 15,000 kilometers after the fitment of these rear shock absorbers for the last 2 years. It has been a very good driving quality. Also, I got to know from Mr. Deepak that they have come up with French shock absorbers. Just hoping for the best and see if if we can achieve 100% zero body roll or a bumpy drive. Yeah, I would actually recommend all the XUV owners out there who is looking to replace their shock absorbers instead of looking to replace the car. Please get in touch with Mr. Deepak with ARC, and I'm sure you would be happy driving this car. All the best. Ride safe.